Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy nachos cheese, full guide. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and gather chips, low-fat cheese, beans, salsa, and fresh produce. Start by layering chips on a rimmed sheet, sprinkle cheese evenly, add beans or chicken, and bake until cheese melts. Top with pico de gallo, Greek yogurt, avocado, and cilantro for brightness. I'll guide seasoning, portioning, and tasty swaps to keep flavor high and calories reasonable. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long debugging sessions and fits nicely beside your laptop for easy sipping between tests. I find it handy during marathon coding runs, and it cleans up easily. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Prefer explicit waits like WebDriver wait to handle elements that load asynchronously, and use expected conditions to wait for visibility or clickability. For faster runs and fewer resources, use headless mode and set window size to match expected layouts. Keep credentials secure by using environment variables or secret managers rather than hard coding them in the notebook. Finally, modularize interactions into functions so testing and reuse across cells is simple and clear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.